Hey everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show you how we built this chicken coop using a majority of materials that we found sitting around the farm. Before you get into the video and you get all confused, yes, I lost the footage for building the foundation. So we ended up using some decking boards that a friend of ours had pulled off of a deck they rebuilt. Sorry I missed that footage, but let's go look at the rest of the build. All right, floor is in. Now to start working on the walls. Sweating like crazy. Not too shabby. I'm sweaty, I'm gross, but the chicken coop is starting to come together. Yeah, buddy. So hopefully we'll have this done in the next week or so. Yeah. So one of the concerns I have for this coop is when we built it, the actual floor, or subfloor as it's gonna end up being, is just chipboard. And this chipboard, I'm not 100% sure how it's going to hold up to the moisture and the feces and all the droppings from the birds and the water and all that stuff. So what we're gonna do is, you see back here, we're using some really cheap HDP panels from the big box store. And we're gonna cover the floor with those. Now I'm not gonna glue them down this time, I'm just stapling them in because we're gonna see how it works. If I need to take it out, then I can just pull them up and take the staples out and it's fine. But I don't want to glue it in, because if we glue it in and it doesn't work out, then it's going to become a giant pain for me to take out and redo. There it is. The floor is in. So there you have it. This is an 8-foot by 8-foot coop. That means realistically we can keep around 32 birds in it at any given time. Right now we only have 12 birds, so that gives us the opportunity to grow our flock in the upcoming spring. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any comments, please make sure to put them in the comments section below. Also, if you have any future project ideas, or if you have any suggestions on how to make this coop a little better and a little bit more efficient for my chickens, that would be greatly appreciated. Of course, if you really like what you're seeing, you want to see more content like this, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya, folks.